So here we are with a 2001 Mazda Tribute, and as stated before, we do a lot of AC work here. This is the third one today, and yeah, the AC doesn't work. So let's get into it, do the basics, and show you how we figure out what's wrong with it. Let's get started. Okay, so I've done some of my basics. I started up, turned it on, the compressor does run. So hook my gauges up, let's see what the pressures are, and we'll go from there. All right, so static pressure, Florida right now it's in the 90s. We got almost 90. We got like 100 and about 125 on the high side. Hit the keys, see what happens. All right, let's see here. Compressor didn't come on here. I thought it did earlier. Hang on just 1 second. Okay. Looks like we don't have a compressor engaged. Hang on a second. All right, my bad. Had to mess the switch a little bit, didn't have it in the right position. Oh, Lordy, we got 32 and we're climbing. We got 300. We're climbing on our high side here. We're climbing. 350 going up. Fans just kicked on. Pressure's coming back down. She's cool, but that's cycling our compressor out. Fans back off, compressor back on. Climbing. 225, 250. Going up. Oh, but we're too high. 300. Climbing. We got no fans. This is a 2 or 3 speed fan system here. I scanned it out. I didn't have any codes. Let's pull a wiring diagram. Let's see what's going on with the fan circuit here. Well, instead of doing the wiring diagram, I decided let's look at some AC stuff. Air conditioning, compressor, cycle switch, AC pressures here, air conditioning clutch. It's on the launch 431. Let's see what kind of fan stuff. Fan control fault high, fault low, fan control signal. Let's look at our command. Low speed, high speed, fan signal, fan 2. Let's see what those are. Pressure switch is open, good, okay. Clutch on, obviously. Cycle switch is good, on. High speed fan, low speed fan, and fan signals on. High speed's running right now, and off. And fan control off, fan low speed. Command's there, but our fans aren't running. All right, let's look at that wiring diagram. All right, not sure how well this diagram is going to show up on this particular camera, but we got a high-speed relay, fan relay, a medium speed, and we got a low speed. We don't have medium, we don't have low. So we know our high speed's working. Same powers feed all of the relays here. So we know our fuses are good. We got a ground on our fan motors here. Right here, but we got two wires here. Let's see here. So on high speed, our red and our orange wire would be hot. It goes to both fans. That's high speed. They both run. On our other speeds, we got a gray and a red wire coming from our low speed relay. And then we got a light blue and a black going to our medium relay. We got command from the computer. I think the best thing to do here is go straight to the fans and look at this light blue and black and this gray and this red wire and see if we have power on that. All right. Yep, let's get refocused and start this back up. I'm back probed into those wires right now. I've got my power probe connected. I'm going to test, you could use a regular test light or a voltmeter, but my power probe I know is working. Start it up and let's go to that two wires we talked about. All right, AC still on. And let's see if we got 12 volts. Here it beat. Got 12 volts on that medium high speed. We got 12 volts on that one. We've got two bad fans on this one. And that'll cause it not to cool properly. So yeah, he's going to need a fan assembly. Let's see. They're two of one piece here. That's a one-piece fan assembly. All right, I'm going to let him know and let's see what happens from there. But so there you have it. That's the diagnosis on this one. Whether he repairs it or not, the fix is the fans were cool, but it'll fade away when the pressure's head out and their compressor will cycle off sitting still. You're not going to have nice, crisp, cold air like you should. Diagram, like I said, on those wires and those relays. You could have went to the relays, but why? I like to work backwards on a wiring diagram a lot of times. Instead of going from front to back or start in the middle, start at the end result. Even like checking the starter or anything like that. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps somebody. And we'll probably have about 4 or 5 more AC jobs tomorrow. Maybe do some more diagnosis on air conditioning. Appreciate you. Talk soon.